Questions 68 through 70 refer to the following conversation and schedule.
Did you see this section of the carpet? There's a rather large stain here.
Oh, what a mess. Maybe something was spilled during the year-end party that occurred earlier this afternoon. I'm worried because our clients from Downview Legal Associates are arriving for a meeting at 3 p.m.
We should use conference room D instead, seeing as it's unoccupied right now.
All right, I'll gather up our presentation handouts and bring them there. While I do that, please call the building maintenance team. They should deal with the stain in conference room C as soon as possible, since Janice Chung will conduct an interview there later this afternoon.
Number 68. What problem does the woman mention? Number 69. Look at the graphic. Who booked the room for a client meeting? Number 70. What will the man probably do next?